law. Now, last but not the least, our treasurer, Mr. Maratha, if he can come and give vote of thanks.
Good evening to all. On behalf of the Bar Association of India, it is both my privilege and honor to deliver the vote of thanks at the conclusion of this remarkable convention, the National Dialogue on the International Rule of Law 2025. Over the past 2 days, we have witnessed stimulated discussions throughout deliberations and inspiring exchanges of ideas that reflect our shared commitment to advancing the rule of law, protecting the independence of the legal profession, and addressing global challenges with integrity and purpose. First and foremost, I extend our deepest gratitude to our Chief Guest, Honorable Justice Devendra Kumar Upadhyaya ji, our Chief Guest of today, and the Chief Justice of Delhi High Court, and Guest of Honor, Justice Simho Shankar Mishra, Justice Odisha Court. Our honorable speakers, panelists, who have generously shared their expertise on wide array of critical subjects, from economic justice and cross-border terrorism to digital governance, anti-money laundering regulatories, and climate finance. Your insights have broadened our understanding and provided a strong foundation for the adoption of meaningful resolution today. We also express heartfelt thanks to our international delegates, bar leaders, and dignitaries who traveled from near and far to join us. Your presence reaffirmed the importance of collaboration across jurisdictions and cultures of safeguarding justice globally. To the organizing committee, especially to our dynamic President Prashant Kumar, our Vice President Ananta Pujari, Rachna Srivastav, our General Secretary Amritji Singh Bedi, our Mr. Naganandji, our President-elect Amarjit Singh Chandokji, our Joint Secretary Mukesh Kumar Singh, Amulya Dhingra ji, and his team, and volunteers and partners. Your tireless efforts behind the scene have ensured the flawless execution of this convention. From meticulous planning to seamless logistics, your dedication has made this gathering not only possible but exceptional. Finally, to all attendees and participants, thank you for your active engagement throughout questions and commitment to carrying forward the spirit of this dialogue. This convention is not just an event, but a milestone, and its true legacy will be the collective action we take in strengthening the rule of law in India and across the globe. Let us depart today not with a sense of conclusion, but with renewed inspiration to uphold justice, equity, and the noble idea of our performances. Thank you, and we look forward to welcome you again at our future gatherings. Thank you very much. Oh, I'm sorry, I missed Subodh Misra, our office manager and his team, who has worked day and night. I'm so sorry, Subodh. I'm so feel sorry for it. And volunteers also, those who have worked day and night. Thank you all.